This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Hello friends, today we will learn about the algebraic expression. In these chapters, we will learn expression form, term of an expression, like and unlike terms, and then we will study about the monomials, binomials and trinomials and polynomials. Then we will learn about the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. Then we will do finding the value of an expression, and then we will study about the formula and rules. Now to start with the algebraic expression. Here friends, we know that there is a, if we say 4x, what is the meaning of this? This x, that means it's a variable. If we say that it's a 5, so this is the 5 is the constant value. Because wherever we write that 5, that means it's a constant, always 5. But when we say it's a 4x, or if we say 3y, this y is a variable. Y may be 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. So this is called variable. So the combination of variable and constant is called algebraic expression. So that means if we say 4x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. If we say 3y plus 2 is also called algebraic expression. So here is the variable, here is the constant. So the combination of variable and constant is called algebraic expressions. Now we will study a little bit more about the algebraic expressions. Sometimes we say that is a 4x square. That means 4x square plus 5. That means 4 into x into x. So it's a 4x square and plus 5. Now here we will learn about the term of expression. Okay, we know that this is 4x square minus 3xy is the expression. Now if we 4x square is a one term and 3xy, because it's a minus, so it's 3y is a term. You know that what are the factors of this 4x square? So 4x square are the factor 4x and x, and if the same we can say here minus 3xy. It is the same like if we say that factor of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, if we say 2x, what are the factor? 2 and x. You know why? Because it's, if we divide it by 2x by 2, it can be divided. If you can divide it by x, it can be divided. So the same way here, so this term is called term and this is called factor. So our expression is 4x square minus 3xy. This is the expression. Now what are the term? 4x square minus 3xy, because we consider that it's always positive, so we take this is the value negative, so minus 3xy. And then what are the factors of this 4x square? 4x and x. Now let us to understand the another expression. If the say 5xy plus 10, so the what are the our terms? This is the expression. Is 5xy and 10. 10 because it is a constant, so there is no factor. Again, if we say here 5x and y, here the factors is only 1 and 10, so that's why we are not again subdivided or subdivision of this. So the here this is called factor, okay, and this is called term. So now we can understand what is the expression, what is the term, and the what is the factor. Now there is another term, there is a coefficient. The word coefficient of the term. Now to understand coefficient of the term, if we say 5xy, 5xy, 5 is the numerical coefficient of term, the term, okay. But if it's, I'll ask the coefficient term of for y, then it should be 5x. So remove this y, and then whatever this is the coefficient of term, okay, term for y. Now if we talk about 4x square, what is the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient, what are the numerical is a 4. And if we said the what is the term, what is the coefficient for the x, it is also 4, because it's a x and then it's only 4, so numerical and coefficient of x is same. So we will solve some of the examples. Suppose I'll take one more examples. Minus 3xy. What is the numerical coefficient? Here numerical coefficient is minus 3, because we always consider the positive. So the numerical coefficient here for this is minus 3. If we say about coefficient term of 2xy plus xy, here is a minus 2 and here is 1 numerical coefficient. I hope you understand this concept, what is the term of expression, what is the coefficient of the term. We will do some examples in the next video to understand more about the same concept.